Hello everybody, this is Mustafa and I have here the Honda 600 RR, and I want to replace the grip for the throttle. And here's the grip. I want to have slack in this cable to remove that the old one. So I'm going to start by taking the cap off. There are two screws right here. So I take the cap off, and then there's an adjuster right here. So the whole idea is I need more slack on the cable, so I'm gonna loosen the adjuster. Normally is 8 and 10, so I'm gonna loosen the lock nut. Okay, now I have to take the whole airbox off and reach the other adjuster on the throttle body. So I'm going to disconnect the IET, the sensor for the air temperature. I'm going to disconnect the PCM. And then I'm gonna disconnect the harness for the injectors. Take the injectors out and remove the harness. Already removed the screws right here for the airbox. Now I'm gonna remove the upper half. We have here 6 screws that I have to remove to move the lower half. Now I remove the lower half of the airbox. So you can see the adjuster is right here. That's the second adjuster for the cable. We need to have more slack to get this piece out. So again, I'm gonna use 10 millimeter. So I get the adjuster out. Now I have more slack right here. so it's easy to get the cable out. Now I can slide this one back. To put the new one, I may add some like light grease right here, or if you don't want to do it without grease, that's fine. Now we're gonna put the new piece. Can put the Now I'm going to put the cable back and do the adjustment. And tighten the adjuster right here. So we're gonna have some kind of slack, and that is fine, acceptable. Maybe just a little bit. And then tighten this adjuster right here. It's 10 and 8 millimeter. You gotta hold the 8 and tighten. Now I can put everything back the same way I took it off. Be careful, we have these two hoses here that go on the sides. This one has an orientation. You cannot go like this one. This tab here has to be out. And then tighten the screws. Now we put the upper half of the airbox. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in another video.